What a luxury it would be to get up and not have to run out the door to a 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. work where your boss tells you what to do all day. And this is one of the main reasons I wanted to learn how to make money online in the first place. And it wasn't just about the money, it was also about the freedom it would give us in our ability to regain control over our lives. I am going to show you a fantastic website in today's video. And guess what? This website has the potential to help you make a lot of money online, possibly as much as $500 in a single day, with no prior expertise or experience required. It is also completely free and available globally. Remain attentive and keep watching because I will give you a lot of different supplementary materials and free tools that you will need to get started. So make sure you stay until the end of this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. Before I reveal the secret of today's strategy, I want you to take a look at this website right here, which is on Amazon.com, but it's in the Kindle book section. Now, if you scroll down below here, you can see a lot of people selling ebooks on this website for $4.99. And if you scroll down below here, you can see more Kindle ebooks that people post up on this website that they even sell for $14.99, right? A lot of people are getting their pockets filled up by using this technique. Now I'd want to have a peek at these over 1,800 customers who have left reviews after purchasing these Kindle ebooks right here. So let's go to the online calculator. One Kindle ebook is $14.99. Okay, and there are over 1,800 people buying it in the store right now. And as you can see here, almost 27,000 US dollars just by posting a single Kindle ebook like these, and you don't need any experience. You don't need any investment. This is completely free. All you have to do is copy and paste and use a done template, which I will show you how to do in today's video. So stay tuned because we are going to make a lot of money all night to get it in this video. Visme.com is the next website I'd want you to visit right now. Essentially, this website allows you and me to generate a very attractive and professional ebook. Write Kindle ebooks like these and sell it for a lot of money, all without having any prior knowledge. In essence, there is a 3-step procedure. Step 1 is to select a done-for-you template from the countless options available. So make sure you keep watching these videos because I will show you how to do it in real life. Step 2, once you've decided on a completed template, you may customize it whatever you like. For example, you can modify the text, the font size, the font color, and anything else you want. And then in step 3, you can download this ebook for free and it will be done for you so you can start publishing on Amazon like these and start making money online right now. So keep watching this video because I am incredibly eager to tell you about this great chance. So when you get to this website's main page, click on the Create button right here, scroll down and click on Documents. Okay, click on the document icon right here and then you will be sent to this page where you can start generating beautiful documents, which means you can generate an ebook. As you can see, this is completely free. You don't even need any money to accomplish it. Right now, I want you to go ahead and click on these blue icons right here and you will be taken to a page where you can join up for a free account and begin creating your ebook from anywhere on the planet. So be assured, it is quite simple. All you have to do is enter your name, email address, and password, and then click the blue register button right here. When you click the register button, you will be taken to this page as you can see. What do you want to use Visme for? In this case, I'd like you to select personal, therefore select personal. Right now, you can log into your dashboard and as you can see here, start creating documents. For now, we will just move down below here where you may see a variety of documents such as report proposals, resumes, cover letters, and so on. I want you to drag this bar right here and go look for this document, ebooks. Click on this button and once you click on this button, you can see that there are different templates that you can choose from. As you can see here, when I scroll down below, there are literally hundreds of different done for you templates that you can just click on, and you can get everything done for you 100% automatically, and you don't have to do anything. So I am going to offer you the first bonus tip right now, okay? As you can see, there are various categories of ebooks that you can sell on this website under Kindle eBooks. Consider the arts, photography, business, and money, as well as education and teaching. So what I want to do is concentrate on health, fitness, and dieting, which as you can see is the most profitable sector. This means that there is a lot of money to be made online with little competition. So now that we've decided on the category that you want to focus on, which is health and fitness, let's get started. Right now, we are going to look for a template that is appropriate for this type of category. So let us choose this template right here. As you can see here, should I eat that? This is highly professional and appropriate for the category of health and fitness. If you click on this preview button right here, you can see what is inside this template. For example, this is the cover photo and this is the table of contents. As you can see by scrolling down below, these are all the pages within this template, and they are all done for people to inform them on how to lose weight and give knowledge on what kinds of fruits they can eat, as well as what fitness is, right? There is a lot of information included inside this template and is basically a done for you ebook that you can just copy and paste. Now that you've determined that this is the template you want, let's get started. You can simply click on the blue Use This Template button. As you can see, you can come on to this new page where we can add and edit whatever we want. One of the reasons I like Visme so much is that they provide you with a cover photo. This is the ebook's cover, which is both professional and lovely. So if you scroll down below, you will notice that they've even provided you with a table of contents, and if you keep scrolling down, you will find pages and pages of information. We should discuss calories and as a result, a healthy eating plan. There is so much excellent information that you can simply copy and paste and sell on Amazon as a Kindle ebook in the health and fitness category. Right now, if you don't like something on this page, you can double click on it and alter the font size, underline it, change the color of the text, and do whatever editing you want. But the good news is that for the most part, everything is taken care of for you, so you don't have to do anything. But as you can see, the author on the front page of these ebooks is Susan Smith, so you can actually add your name or a nickname, and in this case, I am going to put my name. I can even change the title of this ebook, which is currently Should I Eat That? As you can see, instead, I am going to alter it to Health Secret, but you can change it to whatever you want. Once you're satisfied with that, simply click the download button at the top. Once you click on the download button, you will be taken to this new page as seen here. All you have to do now is click on these blue download buttons, which you can do on your phone or computer. So if you're still watching this video, please do leave a comment below to let me know if you're still watching. And please like this video because as always, I am going to give you some bonus ways to help you make even more money online. So this is freeplrdownloads.com, and on this website, you can find a lot of ebooks that you can simply copy and paste and download for free. As you can see, there are numerous categories, and right now we are going to focus on health. So click on these health links right here and then go to this health category. As you can see here, scroll down below to find literally hundreds of different ebooks. So there are already done Kindle ebooks that you can read. Take for example this booklet right here, which you can have by simply clicking on it and then coming over to this page. You will notice a blue download button if you scroll down below. All you have to do is click on these download buttons, sign up for an account if you don't have one, and you can get this for free on your phone or on your computer. As you can see, this website has a total of 8 pages where we can find a variety of various ebooks in the health area. After you've finished downloading all of the health-related ebooks, you can move on to another area such as internet marketing, relationships, or self-help. Using the freeplrdownloads.com website, you can focus on a variety of ebook categories and begin selling them on Amazon to earn a lot of money online without any investment. Now that you've collected ebooks from Visme and freeplrdownloads.com, the next step is to publish them to amazon.com. Right now, we can go to Kindle Direct Publishing, which is kdp.amazon.com. Once you've arrived at this website, you can start publishing your own ebooks exactly like these and start generating money. Get to market really fast publishing just takes less than 5 minutes to do it, as you can see here. And Kindle stores are always available worldwide in as short as 24 to 48 hours. Simply click this one, don't have an Amazon account, and then click the sign up button right here. After that, you will be directed to this page where you can access your account. But right now, if you're brand new to Amazon, you can go down here and create your KDP account, and then you can come over to this website and create an account for free from anywhere in the globe by clicking on this button right here. Simply enter your name, email, password, and confirm your password, then click Create KDP Account. From here, you can begin publishing ebooks by simply uploading them to Amazon, and they will sell them for you automatically from all over the world. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.